What's up guys, it's Taylor. Welcome back to another health and fitness video. I wanted this to be like a part 2 to my last video because I'm still getting back on track with my fitness. I actually really wanted to try out some new healthy recipes today, so I'm really excited to share them with you and try them out. They look so good, so I'm pretty excited. I hope this can maybe motivate you guys to make healthier choices as well. So it is currently 11:14 a.m. Friday, September 4th. It's actually almost my dad's birthday. But I think I'm gonna get ready for the gym pretty soon. I kind of have a little bit of a headache, so I'm gonna wait a little bit and then I'll go. I'm really hoping that it's not busy because I want to get some clips while I'm there of me doing my workout, obviously. So I'm gonna do a new workout today. I put together like a little ab workout, just a bunch of ab exercises that I saw online and like made up my own workout. So I'm gonna do that. And then I also really wanna do maybe some deadlifts because I haven't been using any weights for my booty lately, so I really want to do that. I don't want to lose my gains. All right, about to head down to the gym. I'm wearing Gymshark shorts again, Forever 21 crop top, Target sports bra, feeling like a blueberry, kind of cute. All right, let's go.
What if I told you I couldn't stay? Take me or leave me. You can still walk away. What if I told you this love won't be easy? Will you still be here? Is this real? Will you still be here? If I say how I feel, I don't wanna wake up one day and see you gone. Will you still be here? Will you still be here?
Back. I actually had a super great workout. I was super in the zone, just like focused on myself, listening to some music, and I just felt so good. The ab workout that I did was so good. Like, I really loved it. I'm definitely gonna do that again. And when I did glutes, I used a lot of weights, but unfortunately I didn't get to film it for you guys because there were so many people by then that I just could not like take out my camera, and there was no good spot to even put my camera to like show you guys my workouts because I was standing for most of them. My arm was getting so tired, so I had to sit down. But basically I was doing a lot of deadlifts. I did a lot of weighted squats. I did some donkey kicks, fire hydrants. What else did I do? Oh, hip thrusts. I did some weighted hip thrusts as well. So yeah, I did like 3 sets of everything and it was super great. I feel the burn in my booty and I'm hyped. Okay, this mess is just stressing me the heck out. I'm going to take 10 minutes and clean it up, so let's do this. much better. We got everything cleaned up. There's no more dishes. That is a pan that I'm going to use for lunch. And yeah, finally I can cook. I just cannot cook in a messy space. I just can't. I really need to make some lunch because it's literally 3:10 and I'm so hungry. So we're gonna be making this tomato avocado tuna melt. You guys probably already know that I love tuna. So this just sounded so good to me. I love avocado too and tomato. All sounds so delish. And it's on an English muffin, so it's probably gonna be pretty fire. Literally taking a nap and she smelled the tuna all the way from under the bed. You're crazy. I'll give you some. I'm actually gonna add this albacore tuna to the avocado mixture. I didn't realize you had to do that, so I'm gonna do that now. So I have 2 English muffins on this baking sheet. I'm making some lunch for Ari too. I did toast these a little bit just because I want to make sure that they get crispy. And now we're gonna add some avocado tuna mixture, tomato, and some cheese on top. I didn't even realize what cheese I bought. Apparently this is made out of almonds. It's a cheese alternative. It tastes exactly like cheese, so I guess it works. To bake them for 10 minutes, but because my muffins were already a little toasted, I just did like 5 to 7 minutes, and I think it'll be fine. And then I just broiled it afterwards to melt the cheese. I definitely broiled it too long, but that's okay. It'll be super yummy still. Ari's gonna try it.
Oh my god, that's really good.
Really? Oh man, I'm so excited. The verdict is in. It's literally amazing. Guys, that was seriously so good and so easy to make. Like, what? Definitely a new winter recipe I will be making again. So it's currently 8 o'clock. I think I'm gonna start making some dinner. I'm planning to make honey garlic turkey meatballs. I've actually never made meatballs before, but for some reason I was craving them. So I thought, why not make them? And I'm gonna have it with some cauliflower rice. It's probably gonna be pretty bomb, so I'm excited to make it. I'm also currently enjoying a black cherry White Claw. It's Friday night, so I'm having a drink, and it's just like a very chill night. I'm excited to cook some dinner. But yeah, this is the best flavor of White Claw, FYI. I just got all of the ingredients out. So first of all, we have some ground turkey, some vinegar. I'm using rice vinegar, but you could use apple cider vinegar if you wanted to. And then I also have a yellow onion, some garlic. For spices, we have chili powder and smoked paprika. The recipe actually says to use just normal paprika and cayenne pepper too, but I don't have those, so I'm just gonna use this instead. And I actually need some salt as well. And cumin, but I don't really like cumin, so we're just gonna skip that. And then also some honey, and lastly some panko breadcrumbs. controlled as many meatballs as I could. I'm just gonna make them all so that I can have them as kind of like a meal prep and eat them throughout the week. But obviously I did not cut this onion enough. They are huge, but whatever. I honestly got lazy and just said whatever, but it's fine. It worked out. It kind of looks like I'm about to make some funky cookies. Just realized I forgot to add the vinegar. Whoops, but I'm sure it'll be fine, hopefully. In the meantime, while the meatballs are cooking, I'm gonna make the cauliflower rice. It's actually riced cauliflower, my bad. But this is from Trader Joe's. It's super good. False alarm, guys. The vinegar goes on the meatballs afterwards with the honey as like a glaze. So we get. Here is the finished meal, guys. We got the cauliflower rice, honey garlic turkey meatballs, and obviously they're not the most beautiful meatballs. Clearly I should have cut the onion up a lot more, but it's okay. It is what it is, but it still looks really good. I added some oregano on top just to like make it a little prettier and, you know, add a little extra flavor. But yeah, this looks pretty good. Just had 2 of these dark chocolate cookie sticks for dessert. They're so yummy. Guys, I kind of hit the jackpot today with these recipes. They're seriously so fire. I will 100% be making them again. They were so easy and so flavorful and yummy. And I ended up eating the rest of the meatballs. They were just too good not to eat anymore. They tasted so perfect with that riced cauliflower. They gave it a lot of flavor because that cauliflower rice doesn't have a ton of flavor, but with the meatballs, it was like match made in heaven. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had a really great time filming it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps support my channel, so I'd really appreciate it. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.